All right, you guys, we're going to do day 2 of our Who Am I's. So you need to get out the paper that you did your brainstorming at on the top. So get that out of your folders, and also you will need a pencil again today. So if you need to pause the video and get those two things. Otherwise, we're going to keep going. So after my brainstorming video, I decided to add one more for an example, and I added the word artist. And the reason I added the word artist is because now we're going to go down to the bottom half of that sheet and the back side of that sheet. And out of those 10 things that you described yourself out, you need to pick your top 6. Okay, you need to pick your top 5 because I'm going to pick one for you. So you're going to pick your top 5. Okay, and you can circle them if you want to so that you know that those are the 5 you're going to use. So the one that you are going to start with is I am a student. So what I want you to do, and I'll fold this so that you can see, what you're going to do on the bottom now is you're going to write I am, and you're going to circle the word a and then put student. Okay, and I'll put this all in the notebook file so you can see it. And then below that, you're going to write, I am a student in Mrs. Nelson's third grade class. Okay, so you're going to have that written below it. Hang on just a second, here we go. And I'll write that in the notebook file so you can see it. Okay, so that's your first one. Okay, now you notice that I used I am a student. If we have a word that starts with a consonant, we use the word a. Okay, so now the next one that I'm going to do is I am an artist. So now my next one, I put I am an artist, and then below that I want to write a detail. So this was I am a student. My detail is where am I a student? In Mrs. Nelson's third grade class. Now I'm going to do I am an artist. Well, what makes me an artist? I am an artist. I love to do painting classes. I like to do any craft classes. I like to do painting classes, clay classes. I like to do sewing classes. So that's why I chose I am an artist. Now you'll see down here that I have a little arrow, and that's because on the back of your paper you have 4, 5, and 6. So you need to do those backs of the paper. So that's what you're going to do today for your Who Am I. So you're going to go back to your bubble. You're going to pick 5 that you are most fond of, or the 5 things that describe you the most. You're going to write them on the line. So I am a, or I am an, and then your sentence needs to be a little bit more detailed. What makes you a brother? What makes you a sister? And that could be I'm a brother to 2 brothers named Bobby and Joe, or I am a brother to a sister Susie. Okay, so your sentence below is more of a detail. Okay, so you're going to do that today and then put it in your folder, and tomorrow we will edit it.